Creators like myself and you make mistakes not being updated on the most recent scam. Hackers look at your public information either from Google or they're looking at your YouTube videos to try and gain anything from you financially. Once creators take off financially, you best believe that hackers are watching your every single move. Even with myself, with my YouTube channel, I thought 2FA security was good enough. And in 2025, 2FA security is not good enough for your security. This is why I partnered with my friends over at Bitdefender Security for Creators. Once I went through their website, I was able to link my YouTube channel. As soon as I linked my YouTube channel, they started providing me with 24/7 monitoring on my YouTube channel. And they will even actually watch your most recent post once you upload a video to make sure that there is no funny business going on with anything on your YouTube channel. I was even able to download this to my PC and run a scan, and I was happy to find no issues whatsoever. This will actually protect you on your PC as well as your mobile device. This campaign is supported by Bitdefender Security for Creators. We all know how much work and passion goes into every post, every clip. No one deserves to see their work vanish because of a hacker. Please share this video with your fellow creators and encourage them to join this campaign. I will catch you in the next video.